Hi, everyone. Peter Warren and Fred Walder with APOS Systems.
Hi.
Hey, Fred. Thanks for joining us today. We're taking a look at our series on flashes of insight, focusing on SAP BusinessObjects performance analysis. We're going to be looking at the topic today of report performance. And when we look at the key, obviously, and the importance around report performance, we're looking at things where it can have a number of implications. It could be financial implications, cost ones, technical ones with the resources being out of balance, and then leading to inefficiencies in your system and processing reports, which obviously is going to lead to unhappy users. Fred, maybe you can talk a little bit more about report performance as well and how it's measured.
Sure. So there are a number of ways that report performance can be measured. Things like how long does it take to run instances to successful completion? How long do users have to wait for a report they're running on demand? How long do the report queries take to execute on the database server? So these and many more measures can be used. So if we take a look at things like instance runtime, have the instance runtimes changed over time? So looking at that historically and seeing if there are any great increases in report performance in terms of the instance creation. Secondly, the queries themselves. So every report runs a query on the database, and we want to be able to analyze those queries and find out which were the longest running queries, who's running the most queries, who's running the worst queries. Analyze these things by the report, by the universe, by the user. A number of different ways we could look at this data we're collecting. Finally, when we look at the queries, we can analyze, are these queries efficient? So if we have a number of reports that we found the queries took a long time to run, we want to be able to analyze those. And we've got a number of different ways to do that so that we can have a good working, efficient system and have good performance on our system.
Great. Thanks for that, Fred. So thanks, everyone, for joining us for a few minutes. But please check out our website if you want to check out the full recording on the Flashes of Insight web series. And thanks for joining us today on our Business Objects Performance Analysis one. Thanks, Fred.
Thank you.